Good morning, children. Today in your English class, we'll go for the explanations of the poem The Cold Within, written by James Patrick Keeney. Before we begin with the explanation and understanding, let us know something about the poet James Patrick. He was an American poet and he has written this poem in 1960s. Although initially he was first rejected as being too controversial. It gained popularity rapidly after it had been read out at a council meeting of all religion. In this poem, he has brought out the indifferences going on in and around the world among the human beings. The poem describes the tragic death of a group of 6 people who have faced the air crash. They have landed in one of the places which was very cold, and they have with them 6 logs of wood. Still, they never help each other in keeping the dying fire burn and keep each other warm because of the selfishness, prejudice, malice, and suspicion to dictate their actions. We begin with the poem, children. The first 2 paras I'll explain today. 6 humans trapped by happenstance. The poet says in the first very line that 6 human beings were there and they were trapped by happenstance. Happenstance means by accidentally they were trapped in bleak and bitter cold. They fell and they landed in a place which was really very, very cold. All around they had only and only the snow, the ice, a stretch of field. It was just covered with ice. Each one possessed a stick of wood, or so the story is told. And the story which we are reading, in that story, it is told that each one of them, they possessed a log of wood in their hand. Their dying fire in need of logs. They had a fire in and they were standing all around that fire. Now that fire, after some time, it also started dying because they had not provided it with any wood, the fuel. It just needed fuel. It can be wood, it can be anything, but the first one held hers back. So first, the person whom the poet has introduced is a lady, and she just held her log of wood back. For of the faces round the fire, she noticed one was black. So she just saw all 6 of them, all 5 of them, and she noted there was a person standing who was a Negro, a black. And she hated the black people. Racist she was. Racism. She just held her stick back because she never wanted to help that black she hated. Then we further go for the other paras, children. The next man looking across the way saw one not of his church. The next man, the second person, might be he was very religious, and he saw that the another man, he is not from his church, his religion. That means his religion. He never belongs to his religion and could not bring himself to give the fire his stick of birch. So he also never gave his stick. He never shared his stick because he thought that there is a person among 6. He never belongs to his religion. I shouldn't help him. If I share my log of wood, then he will also get the advantage. He will live. The third one sat in tattered clothes. He gave his coat a hitch. So there was the third person who was very poor. As the line says, he sat in his tattered clothes. He gave his coat a hitch. He saw his coat which was tattered. Why should his log be put to use to warm the idle rich? He too thought that why should he put his log to he hated the rich. A rich person was there in that group of six. So he thought, I am so poor, and this rich person, he does all the wrong with me. Why should I share my log of wood to keep him warm? I will not. The rich man just sat back and thought of the wealth he had in store and how to keep what he had earned from the lazy, shuttleless poor. Rich man too has the same selfishness, the prejudice came in him. He thought, why should I share my log of wood? And how to keep what he had earned from the lazy, shiftless poor. And he said, why should I help him? Why should I share my log of wood to keep this poor, lazy, poor, this person warm?